Hello everyone. Well, good morning, and let us try to start today. It's 9:06 now. Okay, can we wait for some more time so that other folks can join instead of missing? Okay, till then I will tell you small things which are part of service now. So let me share my screen. Can you please let me know once my screen is visible?
Visible, sir.
Yes, it's
It's visible, sir.
Thanks for joining. So, do anyone here are working for service now? Anyone?
No.
Yes, me.
Okay,
I
so
don't know.
no, no. How many? I mean, are you working as any end users or anyone anything else like that?
I am working as
Mm,
end user.
As an end user, have you worked?
Yeah, I worked as end user, sir.
Okay. So, what are the responsibilities, roles, and responsibilities you are doing when you are working with as a ServiceNow end user? What all the things which you are doing?
Basically, ticket creation is the main part, and dashboards and all that we do, sir. We also do dashboards,
Mm-hmm. I mean,
and
as an end user, you are trying to do or else what?
as an end user only, we are trying to do.
Okay. I mean, you have a capability to create the reports as well.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. So basically, let me tell you one small thing. So basically, ServiceNow is a tool, right? So in ServiceNow, we do have two types of projects, ma. First, let me complete the project details, and then we can start with the overall the users will work for ServiceNow and all. Okay. So first, in now we will be having two types of projects. One is implementation project. Okay, one is implementation projects. Any of the organizations, whatever the tool which you take, there will be two types of projects. One is implementation project. One is the I can say it as development. We will be telling you. You can tell. So implementation and the enhancements also we can say. Instead of saying enhancements, development we can say. Enhancements project. So we do have two types of projects. One is the implementation projects, another one is the development, or we can also say it as enhancements project. Sorry. Yeah, sorry for that. How many types of projects we do have in service now? We can tell it as two types. One is the implementation project, and one is the enhancements project or
dev-
development we will.
Development.
So development in the sense development we will do it for all, however. So I will tell you an enhancements project, which will comes under the development project and which will comes under the enhancement project. So basically, if you want to build a new home, so there will be two types of houses. One is fully furnished, another one is It's just a home which doesn't have anything else like sofas and TV, no more things, nothing else will be there. And we will just visit the house and we will buy whatever the things which we need, we will be buying accordingly as of our vision. In the same way, service as well, the same thing. So one would be the implementation project. For implementation project, we will be having multiple members. I mean, to complete this particular project, first and foremost thing, we will be having some biddings will be there in organizations. So that's the reason if you are in bench as well, they will bear you for more than 1 or 2 years because they will be having some bidding will be there. Actually, so let's take for example, this is an ICICI bank, ma. So ICICI bank. So actually, if you are in ICICI bank, okay. So basically, in ICICI bank, we don't have any developers, right? So do we have developers in ICICI bank? No, we don't have the developers. We do have some of the bankers,
Vendors.
like teller will be there, account manager will be there. All those type of things will be there in the ICICI bank. So actually, he just need to have he needs to release one small loan account, which can be very useful for the users who are having the account in this particular bank. They needs to open an account in ICICI. So for opening this account, he needs to have some small form, right? Account opening. So basically, this account opening is also a type of project. Okay, so what they will be telling is like they will be informing to all the companies like TCS, Wipro, and Google, and as well as multiple companies like Microsoft, like we do have Virtusa, we do have LTI. They will be informing to all the companies like we are trying to create one loan request for loan. So basically, this particular what all the capabilities, what all the needs will be there. They will be informing to all the companies. So let's take. I just wanted to have some. You just wanted to have some deep understanding of this type of projects. That's the reason I was telling you. As in the first, I don't know this. Later on, these are very important to know. Okay. So what choose Wipro. We can also tell it as Nisa. See, Benz also uses ServiceNow. Okay, so as you can see here, we are having an ICICI Bank, and ICICI Bank wanted to open a new request for opening an account opening. The loan account is known as, let's take PMJDY. So the name of the project is PMJDY, Pradhana Mantri Janadhan Yojana. That is the project name. Okay, so basically they will ask ICICI people will ask all the users. So we are need to build like the way. So for this building, what are all the things which you will be, how much you will be charging for creating this type of form, and how many people should be needed. You please tell me. People will later they will come into picture. So later they will come into picture the people. So first there will be the account. Okay, fine. What are all the requirements? Okay, you want the form, and in that form we need to have all the details like customer name, account number, and all those type of things. And once after this particular user, see, I will do one thing. I will mention everything. So as because I said 9:15, some of them are joining at 9:15, I guess. Please try to join as soon as possible. Okay. So yeah, as you can see here. So this would be the form, and in the form we will be having multiple fields like customer name, and customer account number and name, account number, balance amount, account opening date, account opening date. So all this type of, I mean, I was just telling you a simple format. Okay. So account number, balance amount, account opening date, name, customer name, account number, and all those type of things will be there. Okay. And as soon as he clicked on submit, okay, requested, I mean, submit, it should go for the approval of this account number is there, right? Branch account manager details. It should go for the manager's approval, whether he is eligible to open this PMJDY. So if he is eligible for this, then only it should move forward and create some of the send some email. Okay, send some email to the customer stating that that account has been successfully opened. Account has been successfully opened, and you can easily send your amount to this particular account and enjoy your accounts. So this would be the criteria what they are trying to use. So actually ICICI Bank, so okay, fine. This would be your requirement, right? So that's the reason we will do one thing. All these companies are there, right? They will be having a meeting. So in this meeting, that particular meeting is known as what? Bidding. Why it is known as bidding, ma'am. Just try to make our session as interactive way so that you should speak. If you speak only, your mind will work. So that's the reason. Please try to speak. Okay, that type of words are known as bidding. These words are very important to you. This vocabulary and everything. Okay, so this we will be using it in our software things. So you will no more included in the bidding right now. If you are having around 5+ years of experience, then they will involve you. Before that, they will not involve you in this particular bidding ones. So, so they will say like LTA will say like okay fine, we need to automate here multiple things. So that's the reason I will be charging you around 50 crores or some crores, and Google will say like 100 crores, and Microsoft will say like 150 crores, 150 crores, and Virtusa will say like 70 or 60 crores, 70 crores. So Wipro will say like I will give you around 200 crores, and I will be supporting you for lifetime. Okay. Okay. Enhancements project, or we will call it as supporting project, right? Now I got that word. Support project. Enhancements are support project. So yeah, 200 crores. And for Nissan, they will say, and for he will be helping you for lifetime and lifetime. So Nissan, they will say it around 300 crores. Okay, so like this, the bidding will be there. But see how much. I mean, this is a known fact actually. So actually, what they will be doing is like they will be charging more and more amount from the end users. Now, the end users are whom for all these companies? Who are the end users now?
ICICI.
ICICI Bank is the end user, and
Okay.
bank is known as a customer. Okay, now he will be giving you some terms and conditions. So, as because Wipro is saying that I will be charging you 200 crores and I will be supporting you. Once after everything has been developed, I will be supporting you for lifetime for 200 crores only. Later on, if anything happens, then we can change the agreement between you and us, customer and the vendor. Who is the vendor here? Who is the customer now?
ICICI Bank is customer and Wipro is vendor.
Vendor. All these
Yes.
are known as vendors. LTA, all those are also vendors. But he has been had a good discussion with Wipro, and Later on, all the companies will get removed. So now the company Wipro is the only thing which we need to talk about. As because he is already a member and he is working for Wipro now. So now the project will be around, no, I mean, there will be no 200 crores. It's more than 1000 crores only will be there, ma. Software industries will be there like this only. So what Wipro will do is like now the project has been started with Wipro. Now what is the project? What is the role of this particular Wipro people now? They need to hire the people. Hire whom? ServiceNow developers. They need to hire some ServiceNow developers. They will take around 8 members or 10 members in the team. So in my team, in the first when I was working with first project is Otis Elevators actually. Otis Elevators. So this is a product-based company which is there actually where we will be having some uh, trains and all those things like there you can see the name of the company name. So when you visit any metro stations, you can see there will be the Otis, the lifts and the elevators which we are having. Those are built by Otis. So in that project I have been worked for, and that would be the implementation project actually. So if you fall in any of the implementation project, you will get very good knowledge in service now. If you fall in any of the implementation project, you will get very good knowledge. Why? Because everything you need to do from the scratch. If you want to build any home, what else you need? You need the foundation data, you need to have some pillars, you need to how much amount of cement you need to add, how much amount of sand you need to
Breaks.
add.
Yeah.
Those type of things you will be adding, right? So in the same way in ServiceNow as well, you can understand very easily if you are falling in any of the implementation project. If it is an enhancement project also fine, but that should it should not be much comfortable actually. Why? Because it is already implemented. You need to understand the things first. That's the reason there will be some KT. KT in the sense what? Knowledge transfer.
Knowledge transfer.
Yeah, some
Knowledge
developers
transfer.
already worked for this particular project. For the new users, they will explain the project details. That is not a transferring that knowledge. Is not a knowledge KT. KT
80.
sessions will be there. So in the KT sessions, this particular users, this particular developers will explain each and everything to the new user, new developer, so that he can understand very quickly. However, we are training here, right? So no problem for it. So now, one more thing is right. If you are following in any of this type of projects, which is having around 1000 crores or 2000 crores, like that will be there. So for this particular type of projects, they will have a very good amount they will give. And if you are fallen in any of the implementation project, you will get very good name first. Why? Because he don't know anything else. ICICI Bank don't know anything else. You as a developer, you should explain the client. So this is known as a ServiceNow. In ServiceNow, we do have these type of things, and what are all the things which we can modify, we can do. I mean, what are all the things we can perform, how the ServiceNow works, you need to explain to the client so that he will be very comfortable in taking the help from you guys. So that they will be giving you the feedbacks. Because of the feedbacks only, you will get good hike that year. So later on, however you have been implemented, you can easily support this project. So your life will go, ma. We will be having some projects like Citibank we are having. We do have some Benz. We do have some Mac. If those projects will be there for lifetime, in any of the organizations, those projects will be there for lifetime. As because of those projects only, some companies will stay. Okay. So in the same way, the developers also they will not miss you. Why? Because you are the one who knows each and everything from scratch. So that's the reason they will won't remove you. If you are going to resign as well, they will be giving you 50 to 100% hike, and they will make you stay there itself. Okay, you need to follow that type of projects, ma. If you fall in that type of projects as well, there will be no work every day. There will be no such enhancements will be there every day. Only some little bit of enhancements will be there. and there will be sprint for 15 days. Okay, in sprint we will be having how many days, ma'am?
15 days.
15 days you
15.
will be having for a sprinter. So for 15 days you will be getting around 2 to 3 stories, ma'am. 2 stories. Let's assume 2 stories we will be getting. So in 15 days you will be having 2 stories. You need to complete it in 15 days. You can complete, either you can complete in 3 days, or either you can complete in 1 week or 2 weeks, or let's assume the average as 5 days. If you complete this particular thing in 5 days, basically after 5 days, you can enjoy the next 10 days, man. So I'm saying now, right now, from the starting of my career, I have done the same thing. So for developer, there will be no such work, man. Okay, so only for admins and testers, they will be having multiple works because they need to see the functionality, they need to verify all those working as expected or not, all the servers are working as expected or not. They need to check each and everything in our ServiceNow instance. So, but developer doesn't have all these type of headaches. They will only have some responsibilities what they need to develop. They will be developing the functionality and just sit aside. That's it. No need to make anything else over there. So once after 5 days has been completed, you can enjoy the next 10 days. So that is meant by an implementation project, and support project is nothing but the one who can support. Once after every implementation has been finished, we need to support the
Support the-
project. Those comes under the supporting project. Right? So do you understand what is meant by implementation projects and support project?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, basically, I just wanted to tell you some technical things. So, customer name, account number, balance amount, account opening date. So, actually, in ServiceNow, we do have some data types. Do you know what is meant by data type? Anyone else? If you don't know, also just tell me. Do you know what is meant by data type?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, actually,
We
let me try
don't know.
to navigate. Okay, no problem. So, let me try to navigate to some of the. Let us try to PMJDY scheme details. Let us try to open the where is the do you know what is meant by this PMJDY?
Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana.
Jan Dhan Yojana. No, sir.
Actually, this is an investment type. I mean, if you are working as a software developer, so you will be if you are getting 12 lakhs as a salary, then they will charge around 30,000 per, I mean 12,000 or 13,000 per month as a tax. So instead of getting that type of getting rid of those particular type of tax cutting, so we can use this scheme and use your money in this one so that they will okay, let us try to go with another one. Mm, travel. Indigo, we will be having Indigo. Go to an Indigo. Let us try to book it. So, as you can see here, flying from. So, as you can see here, the details you can, as a, I'm the end user of Indigo, right? I'm the customer. I'm not the customer. I'm the end user of Indigo. I was trying to book a
Book
ticket
a flight.
Indigo. I'm just a customer, right? So now I just here I can view the places which are available here, right, ma? Which are available here. I can let's take from Hyderabad. Yes, Hyderabad. So I'm going to the location Delhi. Okay. So basically, here the words which this particular field is accepting. So here it's accepting what? The locations it is accepting, na? Yes, ma?
Which is
Yes.
already in dashboard.
Can I give some name here? My name.
No.
Can I
No.
give
No,
some other names which are not available over here?
no,
No.
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 Basically, in the database, they will give all those details, whether what needs to get accepted in this particular field. So as a developer, we will call it as fields. Okay. As a developer, we will be calling it as a fields. Now, this one. This is accepting any names here, or else what it
No.
is accepting?
No.
Only present and
Date.
future
date,
dates.
Uh, is this accepting the future dates? I'm trying to select. Is this
mm,
accepting the future dates?
Past
Past.
dates.
Past
Oh, sorry,
dates.
sorry.
past,
Sorry. Is
No,
it accepting the past dates?
no.
No.
no,
No, it is not accepting. It will just accept the today's date as well
or
as
Yes.
future,
future
Future
date.
dates.
So, how this has been built? I mean, this is accepting which data type, ma? Which data type it is? It is accepting
Numeric.
only
Numeric.
dates. No, no, no.
numeric,
Numerics is
date,
different again. Numerics is
Dates.
different. So, written. Written
written
is
data.
also accepting the dates itself. Yes or no?
Yes.
It is accepting only dates. That means the field is accepting the
Date.
data
Date.
type. The type
Data
of
type,
nature of data. The nature of data which it accepts as known as an. I will
data type.
will try to write the. I will try to create one new notes. Okay. Let me try to create a new one as well. Let us new. It's let's take December 2020. Okay, please let me know. I will share you all these notes and just give me your email ID, okay? So that I will create each and everything and I will let you know so that you will be very comfortable in checking this. At the time of interview as well, you can check this one and attend the interviews. So the peers notes. The type of, let us try to. The type of data, the field accepts is known as
Data type.
data type. So those are known as the data types. I will give you in detail about all these type of things. So you should not worry about everything. So data type, I mean, again, I will teach you these data types when we do have a concept. So that particular concept, when that concept comes, I will tell you. Now, as you can see here, customer name. So basically, my name is Imran, and let us try to take other name is Abhinav, and let us try to check with other names like Leela or some other names will be like. I mean, actually, do we have the in the name? Do we have some names which will consist the number like
No.
ABHI to NAO?
No,
Do we have like this?
No.
No.
No, right?
No.
So basically, only these type of things are known as just an alphabets. Alphabets, right? it should accept alphabets. But in the future, in the past, we will be having some king names. Who is no? There is one a name called David 2, David 1. I mean, the son names will be like David 3. I mean, do you know this? I mean, do anyone of
Yes.
you know?
Yes, yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
There will
yes.
be some king names, which is
Kings.
with
Yes,
Alexander 2, like that.
yes,
So basically, it should accept the number as well as
King.
alphabets.
Sorry, alphabet.
Alphabet. So this type of things are known as string. What it is known as?
String.
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 String, it will accept each and everything. That means it will accept the number A, B, C, D, E, F,
And
and it will accept the numeric,
alphabets.
and it should accept the physical
Characters.
characters as well.
Characters.
Whatever the things in the world, it will accept. That is known as a string data type.
String.
What it is known as? String is one
String.
data type. Now, account number.
Yes.
What is meant by account number? It will
Only
accept
numeric.
what?
Only
Numeric
numbers.
value.
Num-
Numbers.
numbers
Numbers.
and
That means in the software language, we will be calling it as integer. What it is known as?
Integer.
Integer.
Integer. It will accept what?
Only numbers.
Only number.
Only numbers. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
0 to
0
9.
to
0 to
9.
9. It will accept only numbers. Okay. If I'm giving any alphabet over here, it should not accept. The field should not accept if you are giving any
Alphabet.
alphabet. So that will comes under integer.
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 Right. Now, what is meant by balance? Balance amount. So, as you
Integer.
understand now, string is the one which will accept everything. Data type. Integer will accept only
Integer.
Integer.
Numeric value.
numeric
Numeric values.
numerics.
numbers.
Okay, again, I will tell you, we are having a concept called tables. In the tables, you will get a clear understanding on each and everything. For now, you please, I was just trying to introduce you to the data types. That's it. Now, balance amount. This should accept what?
Numbers.
Integer.
Numbers.
Integer.
Numbers and letters.
Okay, integer. So basically, we will be having some account balance will be like 20,000 rupees, 0.22 paisa, right?
Float.
I mean, instead of, we don't have any floats or all those things in our service now. So we will be, this type of thing is known as the decimals. What it is?
Decimals.
We don't
Decimals.
float, like the way we will be having in Java and all other languages. We don't have any floating type of.
Mm-hmm.
So we will be having. This is known as the decimals. Why? Because
Decimals.
it is accepting
Point.
points,
Point as well.
points as well. So that is comes under the decimal. So now I will tell you one small thing like under warranty. Under warranty. I mean, one second.
Yes, sir.
Person details like is he dead or alive? I mean, there are two options, right? I mean, if you are taking the gender, so warranty, let's take warranty. So if in warranty, what we will have,
Yes or no type.
in warranty, we will be having yes
Yes.
or no, or true or false, dead or alive. So decision makings are known as Boolean.
Boolean.
Boolean. Yes.
True or false, yes or no. So those type
Right or wrong.
right or wrong. So that of left or right. So that type of things they will commit under
Boolean.
Boolean values. That's it, ma'am. That's it for today. No need to go more about it. So as a why I said is like as a developer, no one will say that as an end user they will give like customer name, account number, balance amount, account opening date, and warranty. These things to be there. They will say, but they will not say like customer name, and customer name should be in a string only, and account number should be there in an integer only. They will not say. Okay, the customer will not say. As a developer, you should analyze it. What needs to be done? What better you can do with this? Yeah. So yes, ma, this type of projects will be there. And one more thing is like how the ServiceNow developer works and how our whatever the roles and responsibilities will be there with the ServiceNow developer. I do have an YouTube channel. Just try to visit that particular YouTube channel. And tomorrow, any one of you should explain me regarding this. So, okay. So if you
Regarding what?
what would be the ServiceNow developer's duty and what he needs to do? Yeah, this one, this one. Just share me your email IDs to me, okay? So I will tell you this. Share and where is a copy? Yeah, here it is. So you have to see this video for sure for tomorrow, okay? Please see this
Mm-hmm.
video for tomorrow and
Okay.
then just get back to me. Roles and responsibilities will be there. Roles and responsibilities. I mean, there is no such technical things over there in this particular. How to make this as an link, Ray? When you click on this, Control K, right? Yeah, yeah. You please try to check this roles and responsibilities of a ServiceNow developer. Yeah. So this would be the video. Just try to check this for sure, okay? So it is like just like in a legacy manner. I mean, it is not such legacy. I can say it as layman view. I have said this in a layman view. So do you know who is what is meant by layman? Layman.
Full
Who does
terms.
not know anything?
Layman is nothing but the users who doesn't know anything else. Like the ICICI Bank doesn't know about the software, right? So we can treat layman. Layman in the sense
I see.
he don't know anything else. He just a he has bugs. That is, I mean, he is having in financial stability, but he don't have the knowledge on softwares. So those particular clients are known as layman clients. Layman. So we need to treat them like a layman. They don't know anything else. So now let us try to create a service now new instance. So if till now, do you have any doubts? I mean, natural as well. I mean, any other things? Just let me know. Apart from this knowledge of service now, so do you have any doubts like how many days the session will be there, like that type of things? Just tell me. So as I said in the demo as well, we will be having around 40 to 45 days of time. Okay. In this 45 days of time, we can cover each and everything. After 20 to 25 days, you can put the resume. If you are very comfortable in service now, you can put the resume. We can easily crack the interviews. Okay. I will tell you how to crack the interviews and all. For now,
And what
yeah,
about the certifications? I mean, like
certification no
CSA.
need, ma. However,
Okay.
the certification, if you want to write the certification this month, it is charging
Mm-hmm.
around 22,000 or something.
Mm-hmm.
So if you are want to take the, I mean, that is from the back end actually. Some of the my friends are there in the service now. They will get the vouchers from service now company so that you can write the CSA certifications. With the certification, they are charging around 22,000.
Okay.
Okay, so basically for now, no need of having certifications. For actual thing, we will be having around $300, I guess.
Okay.
$300 to complete the certification. No need for now. So, however, you will go to your organizations and the organization they will give you for free of cost.
Yes, yes, we have the platform
Free
too.
of cost will be there. Now, why to waste everything? So you can easily first get if you are going out of the organization, just try to get the voucher first, and then complete
Mm-hmm.
it for sure. For completing, it will take around. I will tell you how much it. I will tell you. I will give you the question and answers. Like we will be having some editing things. We can easily. I will give you.
Sir, is there
Okay.
anything, any tool for practicing service now?
Yeah, yeah, no need. I will tell you. However, we are. That's what I will tell you. Cha.
Okay.
Suren, by when will we receive these recordings?
Which one?
The session recordings?
Yeah, I will upload it here. No worries. So can you please give me 2 minutes, ma'am? My kid is
Sure,
showing
sure.
inside. Just a minute. I will come back in
Yeah.
2 minutes. Okay.
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 He is going to school. I just need to drop him. Just give me 5 minutes of time. Huh? Be on
Okay, sir.
call. I will just come.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So right now I will be creating one more folder as well so that I can 23 December 2024. That would be the date. I will be uploading this video sessions over here. Okay. So let us try to create one ServiceNow ID. Okay. First,
Yes.
okay. I will give you the step by step order. First, what we need to be done. First, we need to navigate to developer.servicenow.com. So try to navigate to developer.servicenow.com. So let us try to create one new ID. I do have multiple IDs here. How can I do? Yeah. So do you? I hope everyone has their own email IDs. So or else you
Yes.
can also create one new email ID for sure. Okay. So I just already have an email ID like with the name of jpshelpline@gmail.com. Instead of using the creating a new one, I just wanted to use the same existing one. Okay. So just open the Gmail account. Now, so this particular page is known as for opening any new ServiceNow account. ServiceNow PDA. PDA stands for what? Do anyone know what is meant by PDA? PDA is
Personal developer instance.
Personal developer
Developer
instance.
instance.
personal
Personal developer.
developer instance. If any of the enhancements or any of the story has given to you in our by the business analyst, so you please see that particular video so that you will understand very easily. So when you are trying to check any of the functionality is working as expected or not in service now. For as a 8 years of experience as well, we will also use this personal developer instance to test how does this actually working or not, the new enhancement. So yeah, just click on sign up and start building. So just try to give some name. Just give the last name. Just give the name. Sorry. Just give your email
Easy.
here. Copy, paste, and India. Just give some random password which you need. Okay. I just click on this terms and conditions. You please accept the terms and conditions and just click on sign up. This email ready is already registered. Okay, let us do one thing. Let me copy this page and give all the details over there. So you need to give all these details. You will see this type of page. Okay. Let
Mm.
us try to open any other account. We do have this thing. I think we do have everything. Let us try to create another one. Hmm.
Create batch name like that.
Yeah. So it will ask for the mobile number, no?
Uh-huh.
At that time, it is showing as you have completed multiple things, multiple email IDs on your mobile number.
That is also problem.
This is about personal developer instance.
Yes, this is for personal developer instance.
Fine, fine, yeah.
Yeah. So personal developer instance is used to whatever the things which we are doing in the live instances, the same instance will be there with this. That is known as a personal developer instance actually. So yeah. Next. JPS trainings DEC.
So Imran, I already have personal instance. You want me to create another new one, or else the
No. Keep it as it is. No, why? Because no one knows. I mean, nothing, right? So that's the reason. So that's
anything,
why.
any personal things need to be developed on this particular basis?
Nothing. Just
Fine.
I will tell you what needs to be done. Sometimes it will accept, sometimes it is it's accepted. 665216. 665216. 665216. Perfect. Great, yeah. It accepted. Recovery email address, no need. I'm in. So, have I started the recording? Yeah.
Sure.
Right from the scratch we have created, right? That's fine. Good. Now I'm trying to give the new email ID over here. Okay. Control V, India. So you need to give everything, okay? And then just click on this. Just click on sign up. Thank you. And I have got a message. A ServiceNow ID has been created for you with this particular name. So the application requires you to verify the email ID. So just come here. You will get an email ID for sure within 2 minutes. Just queue 2 minutes of time. It will get. We will get the message. Come on. We got. Okay. Here it is. Verify your ServiceNow ID. Just click on it. So there is an option called verify email, or you can also click from verify email, or this one is also fine. Yeah, it is trying to redirect. So your email ID, JPS, at the rate of it has been accepted or verified. Now let us try to log in. So this is the login page. Right? Listen very carefully. Okay, this would be the login page. So you just need to click on yes. You should not click on no. Okay. As you are a ServiceNow developer, you will be coding, right? So just click on
Yes.
yes. Always try to click on yes, sir. Let us try to take a screenshot, paste it over here so that you will find click on yes. Yeah. Just click on yes and just click on next. And what best describes your job responsibilities? You just need to click on others, or developer is also fine. Just click on, you will be the designer, you will be the IT, all these things. So as we are preparing for everything, you just need to click on all. If you want to click on this, you need to explain something else. No need of doing this. Just click on finish setup. Click on finish setup. That's it. So there is an option called start building. You can also click on this, or else you can also click on this request for instance. Both the things, no problem. Okay. So you can also, I will take this screenshot as well. Click on request instance. That's it. This is the way. These are all the steps we need to perform to create a ServiceNow account. So yeah. So as you can see here, hello and my first name. So you just need to click on this if you want. So just need to click on this. As you can see, we are having multiple parameters over here. Like this is your instance, and which release it is. I mean, which the present version of your service now is what?
Xanadu.
Xanadu.
Xanadu. So as I said, PQR, I mean, they will be releasing, ServiceNow will release the instances
Twice.
in which format, ma? Alphabetical, European alphabetical format, like Aspen, Berlin, C for Carly, something, and D for whatever it is. I don't think so. ServiceNow releases. See, here it is. Come on, it is still loading. I don't want anything else. Close it. So as you can see here it is. Ask, no. See, here it is. Aspen, Berlin, Calgary, Dublin, Eureka. Like the way we are at Xanadu right now. Washington, we are here 2024. We are at completion of 2024, right? So for ServiceNow developer, there is a good news, ma, because for year we are having two releases, na, Washington DC as well as Xanadu. So basically, as we are trying to skip one version, ma. Not this is not the good news. I will tell you the good news. So the good news is like for any of the ServiceNow developer, for 2 to 3 months there will be no worker. For every year, for 2 months, at least for 1 month, there will be no worker because they will try to upgrade. The admins will upgrade the instances from one instance to other instance. So for year there are two releases. So the versions can be -1 in the sense one version they can script for a year. For one version, they can all are using the Washington only, ma. Still now, we haven't released, we haven't changed this particular thing to Xanadu. Why? Because we need to have multiple things needs to perform at the time of upgradations. So that's the reason for developers there will be no work for 1.5 months to 2 months for sure. For every year, we don't have work for 1.5 year. So there will be, I mean, you need to join the meetings and all, but you will not have the developer activities. Okay. Yeah. So now, Xanadu is a release. Now, as you can see here, just click on open instance. Yeah. You have created your own personal developer instance. So this will
Sir,
be unique for each and every ID. Okay. This would be unique for each and every ID. So let us try to open it.
sir, are there any charges for this, for using this
No.
developer
Free of
instance?
cost. Free of cost. There will be nothing charges like that. So this is one of the personal.
So is it like lifetime free of cost, or it's like that AWS we have 1 year free like that?
No. It is lifetime free of cost. So actually there are some drawbacks for this. Not the drawbacks. I can say it as limitations. We do have some limitations, sir. So limitations are like you need to, if you are not trying to open this particular instance, or else if you are not browsing, if you are not browsing the instance for 10 days, the instance will wipe off. The instance will wipe off. Wipe off in the sense the data, whatever the data which you have been written over there, on whatever the enhancements which you have done, everything will get wiped off. As because this is a personal developer instance. And one more thing, if you keep your system aside for 10 minutes, what will it happen, ma? I mean, you are working on the laptop and you keep your system aside for 10 minutes. What it will happen? It will automatically
Sleep,
Automatically
lock.
off the screen.
Yes, log
sleep
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 mode.
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 In the same way, ServiceNow, this personal developer instance, if you are not working for, not opening for 1 day or 10 hours, or 10 hours, it will automatically, it will go for the sleep mode again. Sleep mode. So what you need to do is like, again, you need to log in with your credentials. Again, you need to log in with your this credentials. So as you can see, copy. Again, you need to log in with your credentials. Here, there will be the at the bottom of this particular thing. You are having start building now. In this start building, you will be having a wake up instance option. Now, which option you can see here?
Start building.
Start building.
Start building.
So here in the place of start building, will be getting an option called wake up instance. Okay, wake up instance. You need to click on.
Wake up instance.
Wake up instance.
It's not break up. It's a wake up instance. Wake up. So yeah, so we need to click on wake up instance so that it will get. Okay. Again, after completing this wake up instance, you will get an option called
Many.
start building. So again, you need to click on start building so that it will get reflected. Okay, ma? Yeah.
Yes.
Chalo. This is known as a ServiceNow, ma. This particular PDI. This is known as a ServiceNow instance.
ServiceNow.
Instance. Okay.
Sir, one doubt.
Yes, please.
For 10 days it will get wiped off, right? So
Correct.
in projects, then how, if
No,
there
no,
is no
no, no.
backup?
Good question. For live instances, there we don't have that type of scenario.
Only PDI
Only
we
for
have this.
personal developer instances only we will be having.
Okay.
Good question, right? So for the project, we will not have that type of scenario. As because we are using for free, there will be some limitations, na?
Yes.
Correct.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah. So this would be the this thing. Okay, the home page. And one more thing. So as you can see here, this is unique for everyone. Unique in the sense your mobile number have okay. Does your mobile number can use by other person?
No.
No.
No. In the same way, this for each and every email account. For each and every email account, we will be having our own personal developer instance, and we will be having our own ID. For this ID, for this particular ID, they have been given. ServiceNow has given me this personal developer instance.
Unique ID.
Yeah, unique ID. Let me try to log in with other instance. Let me check. So log out. I do have a past batch, right? Let me try to log in with the past batch details so that you will understand. See, JPS no 3633. Okay, just click on next. Give the password. Well, wait 1 2 3. Just click on sign in. I think it should sleep mode. It should be see what it is coming, man.
Wake up instance.
Wake up
Wake up.
instance. So instead of clicking as well, if you directly log in, it is showing me the waking up instance. So see, that would be the difference. I haven't opened this for 12, 10 hours and above. So that's the reason it is showing as wake up instance. So let us try to wait for 2 to 3 minutes. It will automatically wake. And one more thing is like the ID would be different for me. For this ID, the ID will be different. For 3633, this personal developer instance, this particular ID will not be the unique. So that would be unique for each and every ID. So yeah, please try to create the ServiceNow instance for today, and definitely please try to check this video for
Video.
sure. Okay.
Yeah.
Please, this video needs to be checked for sure. I just wanted to
Yes.
tell you this one for today. Okay.
Okay.
Just try to create a personal developer instance and be ready with that. And one more thing I just wanted to say is like, as I said in the past, the same things will be there. I mean, there will be no such difference. So whatever the things which you are trying to prepare here, the same thing will be there in the live instances as well. As I said,
Mm.
this is known as what? Personal developer instance, right?
Mm.
So for live instances, someone asked, no, for live instances, if you're working for Cognizant, it will be there like the way. The same URL will be there. The same URL will be there. In place of dev 284433, in place of this particular thing, you will be having Cognizant.
Cognizant.
Okay.
Basically, there will be like organization name, right?
Yes. Correct. Cognizant. Hmm. Spelling wrong, sorry. That's See, the Cognizant instance is opening, but we can't give our user ID and the password, no?
Yes.
So we
Yeah,
need to
I
give the
have.
user ID and the password. If you have, you can give. Don't give to, okay? Don't give here.
Yeah.
So you should not give as well. Okay. So as you can see, this URL is opening. If you are working for TCS, in place of Cognizant, you need to put around .is. You should not try this
TCS.
one, okay? It is just an sensitive ones. You should not try. So TCS has given some this.
Some other
So
name maybe.
if you are working with any other organizations, you need to give some Accenture.
Mhm.
I mean, it would be the same thing for all, okay? Yeah, you should not try to open it, okay? You have your own limits with your instances, just try to use. So tomorrow I will tell you the navigation part and all. Okay, the task which I was trying to give you today is like, please try to
Inst
create an instance and see the video. That's it. See the video.
Yeah.
And one more thing, ma, you please, everyone should have their own notebook and pen, ma. Notebook
Yes.
and pen. So always try to remember in I mean, in MNCs as well, at the time of joining, even if you are working for a modern culture, they will be providing you notebook and pen. Why?
Yes.
Because if anything else is there, you can write it as well as you can,
To make a
you
note
can
of
easily
everything.
remember it in your mind. So that's the reason in the past as well, we will say it as "Sab padna ek likhna" करके बोलते हैं, right?
Hmm.
So that means at the time of writing, your brain will work as well as your hands. I mean, you are making some physical activity with pen. So that particular things will get alerted in your mind. So always try to remember. Please try to take a notebook and the pen and whatever the things which I said till now. And in this particular this video is there, right? For this video, I have said you multiple things in this video. So how the ServiceNow developer will work and what all the roles and responsibilities will be there of a ServiceNow developer, how the story comes, what is meant by story, what is meant by story, what is meant by story, what is meant by sprint. All those things I have been taught in this particular video. I don't want to repeat again. Why? Because we will be having less amount of time. So that's the reason I'm not saying again. If you got any doubts in this particular video, only this video, I will not say anything else. See that YouTube channel. Only for this video only. Why? Because it is just a terms you need to understand. So that's the reason. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Only once you please try to check this video. Okay. Who is the business analyst? What would be the Who is the business analyst? So someone else are having their breakfast. Who is Sanjana or Pallavi?
No, no.
Okay,
I had already.
okay. So I mean, what the duties of responsibilities of business analyst and responsibilities of Scrum Master. So everyone should share me the notes. Okay, everyone should send me the notes stating that you are holding the paper and the pen for sure. Okay, done. I'm done for the day. And the responsibilities of developer as well. Developers.
Please try to create a WhatsApp group among
Yes,
all
ma.
this.
After some days, I will create. Okay, developer. Definitely, ma. I will. So actually, someone, I mean, some ladies are comfortable in creating the WhatsApp group. Some are not. So just send me the message stating that I'm fine with that, so that I will create it. Okay.
And how will you share these notes to us
Just
today?
send me the email IDs
Via
of you.
email? Okay.
Email ID, email ID. Just send me the email ID. I will just try to give you this instance. I will paste
Drive link.
the video in this batch so that you can easily
Sir,
get it from here.
Yes,
Okay.
in this meeting, the chat has been disabled.
Yes.
So
Chat
where
will
we
be
have to
disabled.
share
No need to share
email ID.
anything, na? What is the reason in having this chat?
Sir, create one WhatsApp group,
Yeah,
sir.
that would be helpful. If you are
So we
creating
can
the
Yes,
share our
yes.
correct,
Yeah.
correct,
notes
correct,
and
correct.
everything in that group.
Definitely, ma. I will. For today and tomorrow, just try to send me the manually whether you have prepared or not. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. From
Okay.
tomorrow, I will share you everything. Okay. December 2024 batch, and I will paste this group. Whatever the things which we have been said. First, we have been disconnected, right? So that particular thing I will explain you. Done. Then. Bye. Thank you so much for your time. We will
Right.
meet on tomorrow.
Thank
Try to
you.
Same
Thank
time.
start the
you.
session at
Yeah.
yeah,
exact 9 and wind it up by
Uh,
10:05 or like that.
okay.
Because
Currently
we
working,
do
na?
have some work.
Sure, ma. Sorry for the inconvenience. I
No,
mean,
no,
I'm very
not sorry
speaking
from you,
to.
but I am telling to all the folks who are joining.
Yeah,
If
yeah,
we are
yeah. They are
punctual
joining till
only,
10:15. Sorry, 9:15. Na?
yeah,
That's the reason I have
okay.
waiting for some time. If
Try
they
to
join
join
as soon
by
as possible, we
time.
can start.
Okay.
Okay, please try to join at 9 as soon as possible. Okay, everyone.
Yes, sure.
Our session timings, if we are starting at 9, that would be the good one actually. I mean, at the 10, we can easily finish and we will be normalized to our
Yes.
works. Okay, it's now 2020. So please make sure to join at 9 a.m. in the morning as soon as possible. Okay, I'm
sure,
done for
sir.
the day. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
In
Thank
Saturday,
you.
Sunday is a holiday.
Saturday, no, only Sunday.
Sunday only. In festival days,
We will be having the WhatsApp group. No, we can by seeing the polling, we can make a holiday or
depends
not.
upon.
Yeah, depends on
Uh,
the
Okay.
polling, depends on the attendances. We can make the holiday. Do we
uh,
have any holidays now? For Christmas, we do have, no?
Yes.
Christmas is there.
When is the Christmas? 24th, huh? Tomorrow.
25th,
25th.
Yeah,
25th.
on
Day
25th
after tomorrow.
we will do.
Wednesday.
On 24th we can decide, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Done. Okay. Any questions, any doubts? Just tell me. Just don't forget to give me your email IDs, okay? You will easily receive these videos. If
Yeah,
you have
Okay,
any
sir.
doubt, today we
We'll
don't have any
share.
doubt because automatically this is just for creating an like the way you create the Facebook ID, same thing you have created now. Sign up and sign in. Okay.
okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.